out with two cameras today, the Insta360 X5 with the 3mm Insta360 stick, and we're shooting with the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro and the DJI Mic 2. What's this? It's a cell phone, a smartphone. Do you leave it or do you take it? Well, the person likes fishing. The person's got his credit cards on it. The person is Spanish. And all we can do right now, wait for a phone call and answer and get the person's address when they call him. Hey, I'm Fish. Well, I was trying to remember what I was talking about. If I started out, was at the start of my introduction. So I watched a couple of videos and one person made a lot of sense. And am I going to take that advice? He really didn't give much advice, but he gave his opinion of how he liked his Macintosh, and he had almost the same model I was looking for. And he said, you know, is it worth it? It all depends on your workflow. Over 2025's winter, 2026, this is Super Jeff, Captain Jeff. He's got a new charter boat as the boat went under, decommissioned, and got a new one. We got the sun just coming up right over there. And it's right there. So let's go see if we could ride on down to the edge and have a talk, get a show. Oh, we are going to stop and wait, see which way he's going to go. Yep, you never know which way we go. So, I was editing and I was not doing anything really harsh, watching a live stream, and I just couldn't get it done. Couldn't do it, couldn't watch it. Every time I switched off, or every time I did this or did that, it was just too much fun. Was it me? Was it him? Was it us? I don't know. And is it worth it? I really don't know. I tell you, things are just fun, wonderful. I'm just about where the sun is up. I'm not the only one by here. I wish they opened up the gates again. I don't like stepping on the sand and bringing it in, just who I am. It's very oily. It sticks to your shoes and stays with you. It is low tide. The sun is up. What a wonderful shot. Well, I'm able to get into the camera by swiping over, but I'm not able to do anything else in it. I need a password. It looks like it has to have one or more passwords. So, how can I, do things? Well, maybe I'll just wait for the phone call to come through and ask the person, hey, I found the phone. Do you speak English? Do you know the owner of the phone? Their number? And then, hey, like to pick it up? It's here for you. There is a fingerprint, and I think over here, what I am going to do is take some tape, and I'm going to see if I can get the fingerprint to show. Otherwise, it is what it is, man. Well, I got the camera over there, and I'm doing subject tracking. And what more can I say? Does its job very smoothly, as well as the X5 by into 360. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch off the mic to the X5. I'm not even sure if I even charged it or cleared it out, what I'm on, but follow me is what I like. And I got the 360 stick. I think I'm going to go over to the playground and set up. You know how people, they take the stick and they do one of these. How far can I go? I don't want that far. Now let's see if we can do that by start recording. Take the stick and go. I can't go that far. It only goes that far right here. 6 feet's not bad, right? Let's do it one more time. How many times you gotta do it? Well, you know the person did this. I don't get that part. I think I'm happy just walking around with the selfie stick and holding it. You'll get the stick all the way out there. I'll tell you what, we don't film until we're set up with the stick how far we go. So let's go up as high as we can. I'm on the highest point. Try to watch all around me when I get the stick. The sun is coming up. It's right over there. And the only way you're going to see it is if I go up high, take you off of follow me into 360. And that's where my editor may not do justice. So let me go all the way up so you can see me from the ceiling right here. I don't have to switch on over to 360. It's right here. As I slide my stick down. Oh yeah. Am I in the frame? Let me tap to recenter. Tell me to tap. It's giving me information. I'm not sure what's happening. What did I do for smart tracking to be disabled? I'm going all the way up in the air, as high as I can go. Watch that sunrise, 360. I don't want to bring my stick down because I'm holding the very edge of the cap, and man, it's just a lot of weight. So let me get on going. Put a thing right here on your arm and you can walk around like this. Or just have the stick underneath your arm. That's the trick. I'll walk around. Yes, indeed. Go underneath. I got a duck, but I don't want to hit my head. Yep, that's the beauty. Oh man, I forgot to take my helmet off. Well, look at my Cannondale Adventure 2. I lost my luggage rack screws, but I able to put it back in the house and I'll leave it off for a while. If you use one mic and it's a DJI mic 2 for both cameras and you just shut down your X5, shut the mic down first and then pair it up second. If you don't do it, you're just going to be sitting there waiting for the X5 to get that mic off. It holds it hostage. I'm going to be going uphill for a little bit. Let's roll down the hill and let's head on over to what someone said was an abandoned TJIFs. beautiful sunrise. Now they said this was abandoned. That they got in the door and it was open and they looked around. Well, there you go, man. That's how abandoned it is. So what tree was chopped down that the lumber was left all over the place, man? Well, maybe they got in through this way, through the dumps. To go. Pick up here to go. Maybe they went around and got through the broken window. Maybe I got lucky and I found a purse now. Well, over here, as we ride by, we used to go fishing on the Flamingo. And the Flamingo used to be docked right over here. No more. Let's get on going. Get on touring, get on showing. A lady was coming out from her boat. Yeah, so let's get on going and traveling on. Always a lot of things to do. I'm gonna turn down here to show you Mr. Fisherman. Oh yeah, Jordan's Fisherman. Jordan's House of Lobster House. No more. They packed up as well and they left a long time ago. Oh man, all the days. They even closed up the path going up on the parking lot. How exciting is that? Feels like I live in a ghost town. Now check this out. It's like a little horse stable. Got an old school bus. Mountain Creek, man. What is the Mountain Creek school bus doing down here? All right. Used to come over here, go down to the boat slip. Right here, no more. They got the gate right here, but I didn't get in, really. 469, it was just like 455. It's the last of the 7-Elevens, and I haven't had a Slurpee in a good year's time. That's a police car, all shaded out, man. Couldn't even see in. Oh, man. Maybe I should tint my windows like so if they could tint it, right? Tint is tint. It is what it is. You ever go down Hobo Alley? That's what this is. You got things just parked here on a residential street. People sleep here and they just camp on out. Well, I am Fish. I gotta go meet up with Joe. I am gonna take care of beeswax. Guy left his windows open. Maybe he is sleeping in his car. I have no beeswax to take care of. I'll catch you on another day. But before I go, maybe I'll set up the keyboard, mouse, and monitor in the M1 and just use it to edit all this. And just keep it on there and just shut off the monitor when need be. Then worry about an M5 or an M6 coming out. He's singing back there, that guy on the bicycle, man. He's having a blast of a time on an empty street. Doing that Tarzan yell that was. Too bad the mic and the sounds didn't pick it up. I'm out of here.